Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. Now first and foremost, I will wish every one of my subscribers Happy Teachers Day. It's 5th September and we celebrate Teachers Day in India in memory of Sir Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So the Teaching Doc wishes you Happy Teachers Day because each and one of you subscribers, you teach me a lot by your expert opinions in the comment section. Now let's get on to today's video. Model release. Okay. What is model release? You can see if you type model release in Google, in Wikipedia, you get a definition like this. It's basically a form, a written form, signed document which allows you, photographer, to upload the photo, commercial photo of a model into the stock photography agency. This is very important for those photographers who are uploading stock photos that are containing identifiable human faces. It may be blurred, it may be silhouette, but most photography agencies will ask you for a model release. Now, I have already made multiple guides regarding model releases both in English and in native language Indian Hindi. Links to that are in video description, and I also have told you that I upload the same model release to all stock photography agencies. I use the standard Getty Images format, which is also linked in the video description. Now, I have told you that I always maintain hard copy or paper model releases. Okay, that's very essential because in any problem, if ever a model files a court case on you, it is that signed hard copy document that will save you in the court. Okay, many friends have gone into this problem. At first, your friends or model will not tell you anything. He or she will be very friendly and he or she will accept. Okay, you may think, okay, this is fine. You may actually sign any fake model release and get along with it. Okay, but as soon as he sees you that you are earning money and you are using his photo to earn money, the mind may change. Okay, human minds act in mysterious ways, so always be prepared to have a valid, signed, legal hard copy of model release with you. That being said, I already made a digital guide for model release from Shutterstock, and today I'll be doing the same for Adobe Stock because it is one of the highly requested topics. Okay, now let's see how the digital model release is done. Now I already told you, if your account is blocked and if someone files a case on you, your digital model releases will not be acceptable in your account. In that case, you cannot protect yourself. So I always advise you, I'll always suggest you to keep hard copy of model releases along with you. Okay, so let's see how it's done. As I told you, I made a new Adobe Stock account. Okay, and I'm uploading new photos every day, and I have uploaded some medical images which I have clicked recently. Similar looking images are there in my old Adobe Stock account, but you cannot upload the exact same images. Your account will be banned due to duplicate content. Okay, because those images are already in Adobe server. So there is no human photo. Okay, to be honest, I already uploaded 3 photos when I made the video while making the new account, my son's photo, and I attached a model release. But let us suppose that this photo has got a human model. So I'll just give a demo. Okay, and I will show you how to get it done. So please, for all purposes, let us think that this photo has got a human face in it. Okay, so the category of that photo can be either business or can be people, and over here you need to click on recognizable people or property. Yes, we can recognize because there is a model. Okay, you can see it, you can't, but there is. So we need to click yes. Okay, as soon as you click yes, there may be options, there may be model releases listed over here if you have uploaded previous model releases. Okay, if you are uploading analog or paper copy, scanned copy. But if you want to do it digitally, you need to click on create a new release. Okay, in create a new release, you need to scroll down and you need to see this Okay, digital releases new, create a release with Adobe Sign. Now as soon as you click it, your Adobe Stock will give you a prompt whether you want to save your changes, for example the categories, etc. You can choose to save or you can just leave. Okay, I will definitely choose save. Now first thing, this thing will appear. Now you can upload a model release or a property release in same way. In case of property release, in case of model, it will be model name, number and photo of model and model's email ID. In case of property release, it will be property owner's name and short description of the property. It may be a tattoo, it may be a restaurant, it may be a hospital, anything. And then you need to attach a photo of that property and a email ID of the owner. So here, let us make a hypothetical fake model release. Of course, I will not be using this, but give me a name. Okay, okay, my favorite hero of Marvel has died. Okay, Chadwick Boseman. I loved him. I loved Black Panther. So this model release is a tribute to him. Okay, okay, Black Panther. I will use any of my email ID, okay, and then I will attach a model's portrait. Now it can be any portrait. I'll just attach a random photo from my hard drive, okay. Which photo to attach? Okay, this Shutterstock logo, okay. Example, I'm just giving an example. So you are done over here. Then since you have given the proper address of the email ID of the model, now if you click on this review request, it will be sent to the reviewer, I mean the model, for signing. So you can actually see whether his name, his email address and your name has been typed correctly or not. Now you need to click on send request. After you do that, you can see your releases menu will tell you sent to model. It means the model has already received the request in order so that he or she can sign. So now let me go into my email ID and let me see whether I have received it or not, and I need to simply refresh and you can see here signature requested for model has already come. I just refreshed my mail, so it's in updates and I need to click on this. Now the model needs to do this. Okay, you can call your model and instruct him over phone or text that you can do these steps, or you can simply send the link of this video where they need to do as I am doing here. So review and sign. Now this part is very similar to the digital model release of Shutterstock. You just need to sign your essential information. So see, the name is already typed in Black Panther. I'll just give a random date and I'll just give a random address, okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this is the phone number, and email ID I have already given. Now click here to sign. You can do it in there are multiple ways to do it. Okay, you can draw a picture using your mobile touchscreen. Yes, this is a very good way how you can upload a model release using mobile phones. Okay, this menu is accessible using your mobile touchscreen. You can type in your name. I will write Black Panther and you are done, or you can simply draw like this BP, but make sure you don't do it fake. Okay, make sure the model does it. Okay, trust me, I'm telling you again and again, fake model releases has led to account ban and multiple dollar of fine in court. So never fake a model release. Even if you are uploading your own cousin's model release, never ever do it. Okay, always save your back. Anyway, so this part is done. The model's part is done. Okay, now see, the model actually can check his or her photo. He or she can check her name, date of birth, everything. Then he or she needs to click on this. Now this document will then go to the photographer, to you, so that you need to countersign. Okay, and back, if you look at the Adobe Stock page, releases page, it will say pending your signature. All right, so now you need to open your own email ID. See, and the email has come, signature requested on model release. Remember, first the model and then the photographer. If you are uploading your own photo, you can provide the same mail and then you need to do both the sign. Okay, so review and sign. Now this is the part that you need to do. So if the internet connection is bad, it may take some time to load. So you can see that the model's information is correctly entered or not, whether the model has signed it correctly or not, whether the shoot date, signature date, etc. are input in a proper way or not. Then you need to click sign. I need to simply click on them and then I'm done. Okay, you can type or you can sign, do it in your own way, right? So then when you are done, you need to click on sign and you are done. You just go to the releases page and you can see that this is already completed. As I told you, you always need to keep a hard copy. So better you download one and save it in your hard drive. Okay. So see the release, it has been downloaded as a PDF. I can always open and I will always tell you to get one print out ready. Okay. It will help you a long way. So these are fine. Everything has already been done. Now let us go back to the upload page. In the upload page, what you need to do, you need to click on that photo which has a model. Okay, it doesn't, okay, but I think it does for the sake of this tutorial. So then you need to click on yes, recognizable property, and then you need to click on search for an existing release. Then this newly signed release, that is Black Panther, will appear in your model release menu. You just need to click and then you need to click on paste keywords, etc., and then you can submit your file. Okay. Yes, this photo does not have, I just demonstrated you. So let us actually cross this one and recognizable property no, and this is actually science category, and I will just submit this file. Okay. Yes friends, I will make a series on categories of photo. Those who are new, those who are confused about categories, I will make a series on every category of photo, what type of photos you need to click, what type of photos belong to which category. All of them are coming very soon. Now, time for code of the day. If you have watched this video till now and if you have not skipped this video after a minute, you need to type teacher in the comment section. Today is Teachers Day, so happy Teachers Day everybody. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you have liked this video. Share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love to click, so that all of us can together earn some good amount of money by selling our photos via this passive income strategy. So I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.